In this video, Bitcoin has finally met the 65,000 US dollars, but the question is what is next for the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So hindi ako nakapag-post ng videos for the past few days because I was sick. Actually, na-confine ako sa hospital and ay nagkasakit talaga ako. But right now, na-discharge na ako and we are now back to regular programming. Let's now dive in here with the Bitcoin price action. So, di ba sa previous analysis, ang mina-monitor nga natin, di ba, was this bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. And di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, itong bullish divergence would take us back to the 65,800 US dollars. And then after that, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, the next thing that we have to watch out is if magkakaroon na siya ng rejection at bumalik na siya down to the 59 or 60,000 US dollars. But right now, we are definitely on track right now na dito with the Bitcoin price action and hitting 65.8. But the question is, what is next? So, the next thing na kailangan nyo i-monitor dito is if magpo-form ba siya ng bearish divergence in the 4-hour time frame, wherein the price is increasing while RSI is starting to decline. In this case, that is going to tell us na we are going to see a bearish movement na nga dito. But right now, we are still not forming that. But that is the next thing na we have to monitor na nga dito. Now, the next thing is the daily time frame stochastic RSI. As you can see, in the daily time frame, we have seen that recent pump ni Bitcoin. But yun nga, the pump will end dito. According to this, the pump will end if magkaroon na tayo ng bearish stochastic RSI cross dito. So right now, that is what we are going to monitor within the next few days dito kay Bitcoin. So very, very simple lang naman yung galaw ng Bitcoin ngayon and very understandable and very easy to read. So right now, that is what you have to monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action. And if you're going to zoom out na nga dito, this is actually looking good na nga right now with the Bitcoin price action as we are getting a bounce nga sa 50-week moving average. So, this could potentially tell us some signs na the 59 to 60,000 US dollars could be the bottom. But yeah, still too early to tell pa. But right now, it's looking good with the Bitcoin price action. Let's try to look at into more charts dito. If you're going to look at the weekly time frame, let's try to open the weekly. You will find na meron na nga tayo na increase, na declining price. I know the price has been declining, but RSI has started increasing dito. So ito yung Bitcoin declining price, but yung RSI is currently increasing na nga dito. So it is actually starting to show some good signs na meron na nag-start na tayo ng bullish divergence. And take note, the last time that this happened led into a Bitcoin bottom. That has determined the Bitcoin bottom. And then we saw a bullish movement na nga kay Bitcoin dito. So, right now, we are currently monitoring is if this similar bullish divergence will now finally play out. And, well, actually, if this bullish divergence is going to form pa lang. So, kasi right now, it's still forming and I think this is going to continue forming pa din within the next few days and next few weeks. So, yes, still too early to tell, but right now, we are seeing a lot of good signs na nga dito kay Bitcoin. And take note, guys, meron din akong Philippine Blockchain Week ticket this coming Friday to Sunday. I have free tickets, and if interested kayo, make sure to message me sa Instagram channel ko or sa Instagram page ko @TristanBal para makakuha kayo ng free tickets if gusto niyo sumama. send me a message and then I'll give you a sign up link. And take note, 10 free tickets lang to, so paunahan na lang to guys. And wala namang wala kayong kailangan gawin. Mag-register lang kayo dun sa free tickets lang under my name. And yeah, I'll see you there sa Philippine Blockchain Week. But yeah, I guess that's all the update for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.